Using employee discount on Amazon is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use employee discount on Amazon. In order to do that, you need to have an employee discount code. So how you guys can get the employee discount code? For that, as you know that Amazon A to Z is a website or an application which is only available to the workers or the employees who are working in the Amazon. So you just need to log in, and after logging in you will easily be able to go to your account, and in there you will easily be able to access your discount code which you need to have. After having that code, you have to go to Amazon, select any of the product that you want to buy, add that product into the cart. Suppose I'm just going to add this keyboard into my cart. So I'm just going to add this keyboard mouse into my cart. I'm going to click on buy now and really add it to my cart. Now here they will want me to log in. Now after that you have to log in, and after logging in they want you to put the address. After putting the address, you will easily be able to add the payment method, and in the payment method you will also see an option for add voucher discount code. You have to put that discount code there in order to get a right discount. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.